Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I just want to take a second and tell you guys, holy moly, 16,022 views. I don't even know if I can fully comprehend this, that 16,000 views. I know in the world of YouTube that's nothing, but to me that is an absolute huge deal. I mean, an absolute huge deal. 16,000. I mean, I was hoping that some people would be interested in this. I mean, some people. This is 1 or 2 days behind. It's weird how it lags, but 31,000 minutes of watch time. 31,000. And this is just the track, and this is because of you guys. And I never ever want you to think that I don't appreciate it. You guys have been an awesome audience. You guys are so supportive. Give me great feedback. Have asked some really awesome questions, and it's helped me in the right direction of where we need to go. But I just wanted to take just a quick second and just say thank you. 16,022 views. My goodness, this is just more than I ever thought it would be. I hoped it would be watched a little bit. It's been a long road, but you guys are, I mean, hunting and searching and finding, helping share. I mean, tons of, I haven't looked at that in a while. Where is that? Shared videos. Let's see the lifetime of this. I mean, this is how many times you guys have shared, given comments and the likes, and just unbelievable. I just can't tell you thank you enough, and it's a big deal to me. And I'm just rambling on now, but thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing, and stay tuned. And have some news coming in the next couple days. I want to make sure I have enough stuff to talk about. But as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.